Welcome to the EU AI Ecosystem Mapping. With the EU AI Ecosystem Mapping, you have a comprehensive overview of the AI ecosystem. Benefit from discrete graphic elements connected to the tool or service. Who is this tool for? Researchers in academia, industry, European projects, decision makers, and policymakers. What can you expect? Access to a unified AI network, facilitate partnerships and collaboration, have informed decision-making. Now that you know what the EU AI Ecosystem Mapping offers, let's see how it works step by step. Step 1. Accessing the tool. The ecosystem mapping can be accessed via the AI On Demand platform, under the Community tab, by clicking on EU organizations. Step 2. Navigating and scrolling the map. This brings you to the map view, where you can navigate, search, and select organizations and apply search filters. Step 3. Searching for a keyword. Upon entering and selecting a keyword, it highlights all organizations that use the keyword. Step 4. Applying search filters. In the map view, you can filter by research topic, application area, and type of work. Step 5. Statistics. On the Statistics page, you can find data about the entire AI data robotics ecosystem. When a cell is selected, you can view the corresponding organizations in the map view. Step 6. Topics list. In the Topics page, you can explore the taxonomy of research topics and application areas, search for a relevant subtopic, and find corresponding organizations. Step 7. Compare countries. In the Country Comparison tab, the organizations are grouped by country in several diagrams. You can choose whether they are sorted by performance or alphabetically. Clicking on an axis sorts the countries by score. Step 8. More information. Finally, more information on the data collection and the project can be found under this tab. With just a few steps, the EU AI Ecosystem Mapping takes you from exploring data to engaging with partners and fostering collaboration. Engage and collaborate. Try the EU AI Ecosystem Mapping on AIoD today.